Let's begin by differentiating between training and development. Training is a planned effort. It is something that is designed in advance and delivered with the intention of teaching someone something new. In a training program, employees typically learn new competencies, new knowledge, new skills. Sometimes they learn how to perform specific behaviors. Training is extremely popular in today's work environment. We spend more than $100 billion every year on training in the United States. Development is a broader concept. Development includes just about anything that leads employees to grow, to learn something new. Development also tends to be more future-oriented than training. Training is designed to help employees learn things that will help them in their current positions, whereas development is usually focused more on helping people develop the competencies that they will need in the future. Development can include training, but it can also include other types of learning. You see a few examples here on the screen: formal education, job experiences, social networking, and not the kind that involves Twitter, mentoring, coaching. There are a variety of different experiences that can lead employees to learn and improve on the job behaviors. Development includes all of these different methods.